Hello. Ivan. Well, 2017 Toyota IA. Something is not right. Not exactly sure what. They say it stumbles when you drive it. Looks like a dead battery. Okay, let's try to do this. Well, evap system leak too lean. Now this I don't even know what this is. Detections system general check. Well, these codes, the permanent codes, I think I know where they came from. That's the card that had a stuck evap valve. It was stuck open. I replaced it, but I never cleared the codes. But as far as this, really need to look into that. Well, I guess I'm gonna look into this code and see what I can figure out. Alright.